Have you ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or lost in your life? Today, I'm sharing how to rebuild your life in just 30 days. Yes, 30 days. Let's dive in. Day 1 to 3, self-reflection. Start with a deep dive into your thoughts and feelings. What do you want to change? Journal your goals and identify the areas of your life that need attention, be it career, relationships, or personal growth. Day 4 to 7, set clear goals. Take those reflections and turn them into SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Break them down into weekly targets. This clarity will guide your actions. Day 8 to 10, create a vision board. Visualize your goals. Gather images and quotes that inspire you. Place this board somewhere you'll see daily to keep you motivated. Day 11 to 15, build new habits. Start small. Focus on one new habit each week that aligns with your goals. Whether it's waking up earlier, exercising, or reading more, consistency is key. Day 16 to 20, seek support. Surround yourself with positive influences. Share your journey with friends or join a community that aligns with your aspirations. Accountability makes a difference. Day 21 to 25, embrace learning. Invest time in personal development. Read books, take online courses, or listen to podcasts that inspire you. Growth comes from knowledge. Day 26 to 29, reflect and adjust. Check in on your progress. What's working? What needs tweaking? Be flexible and ready to adapt your plan as necessary. Day 30, celebrate your wins. No matter how small, acknowledge what you've achieved. This is just the beginning of a lifelong journey of rebuilding and growth. You have the power to transform your life. Start today. Remember, it's a process. Embrace every step along the way. Let's make these next 30 days count.